Mountain Man, right?
Gay Mountain Man, right. Me and Steven's ideas combined.
Gay Mountain. Oh.
Just read it.
Okay. Let me set the tone.
Hold on, Floyd.
Really? In 2 hours?
Just keep practicing the voice.
I would ask that all of your video equipment be set before I start to speak.
Slower.
Not after I'm talking it. You're going to video
Huh?
please
What
do
is
it
probably what?
before I start.
What is probably
The
what?
actor is like,
Feeling
Oh,
good?
feel like we are good.
I'm awesome.
No, I didn't.
Would you hurry up before I run out
That's
of
probably
like?
mine. Would you hurry up before my battery goes dead?
Everybody ready?
Yeah. Come on, Cloyd.
There you go. The
Get with it.
What the frig?
Bring it into the lady section.
It was.
Everybody's got their cameras on. You're gonna kill their battery.
Can
Hurry
everybody
up.
see me?
What the hell?
I hope
Look,
that
there's
elephant
1, 2, 3,
actually-
4. Oh wait, let me get mine.
Hey, I got a corn cob to help you.
Thank you.
Will you start the story?
Come on, Flower Child.
Thank you.
Let's do it, alright?
It was a dark and moist night. Nope.
Chloe, you're not supposed to read it first.
Can somebody muffle
That's
her?
cheating.
Will you,
No one's gonna muffle me.
You're throwing me off. You're throwing me off.
will you just read it?
So, I'm her.
Oh my
This looks
god.
like a big toilet.
Start with Paula, please, and just finish the story.
Wait,
Can
hold on.
somebody stifle this heckler?
Everyone just shh. Let him say it. The more you talk, the more he's gonna speak.
Put it in
You're
the C.
taking up my whole memory card.
C. There you
Yeah.
Hurry up.
You're taking their bear juice, dude.
Virus juice.
All
go.
right.
Again, there you go,
Really?
swim.
You can't hear a story.
All right, we're
I had
waiting.
it.
Karen.
Lost it. I had to reclaim it.
Talk louder, Cloyd.
Hurry up.
That came from the old lady.
Woohoo! All right,
I
seriously, you
can't
guys,
do Gay
listen.
Man louder.
Okay, just do whatever you can. Hurry up!
How about you?
You're trying to stall us. I don't like it.
I'm trying to wait till you shut the up.
I'm trying to stop it stalling.
Somebody give her a Twinkie or something.
If you keep going, he's
A Twinkie, I like Twinkie.
How about at the count of 3, we all shut up and let him
All right.
spotlight?
3.
1, 2, 1,
three.
go.
Go,
Floor is yours.
go.
20 seconds.
He's gotta go on.
He's not when you look at him. He's fucking asshole.
You know, I'll work. I'm an actor. I'll work
gonna
around.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
No, Mom, sit.
No.
Floyd, go. Just go.
Do that or
It
else.
usually works.
He's trying. He's making
There
good
you-
memories. That's all.
Hear ye. All you want a Gay Mountain
Talk
Man.
English.
Shut
would
the
ya?
fuck up. She want a Gay Mountain Man. It's the best I got. Shut up.
Sounds like Abraham Lincoln.
5 scores 7 years ago.
I had a 3-inch penis from beer cottage.
Oh, just
All right,
please
here we
say
go.
it.
Paula was here with a cock in her hand. Right after George suckled it.
Is that what it says?
Speak louder.
And after Wendy caressed the scrotum.
Who wrote that one?
And then Jeremy looked at Chloe with a sassy glance. And Chloe gave him a little wink. Right before he... You mother... I'm not reading 2 lines of
Go
it.
on.
No, you had to finish it.
I'm reading line by line. It gets bad. Gave him a little... Gave him a little wink. Motherfucker. Right after,
Oh shit.
he gave him a kiss.
That's it.
Hilarious.
What do you want? A standing applause? Come on, let's get busy.
Your name hasn't been mentioned yet, so you might not want to tell him to get busy.
I can only imagine.
And then they dance around like girls with lipstick on.
You should put
I
rose
love
lipstick.
you, man.
And then they hump like gay dogs in the dark.
Mom, why?
I don't know why.
Did you say we humped like dogs in the dark?
I don't know. It came to mind.
It was a good ending.
Yeah.
Is that really the end?
I am posting that on Facebook.
You probably can't even hear it because he was so quiet.
Oh boy.
Who the fuck wrote this story?
Started with